Very good morning and a warm welcome to what is, I have to say, an absolutely stunning 911 996 model. This vehicle must be very unique. It's got some fantastic factory upgrades, and I will be posting those upgrades inside the montage of photographs, so please do forgive me for not getting everything this vehicle's got, but I'll try and do my best to get as much as I can. Andy, the vehicle's owner, has absolutely cherished this vehicle, and through a series of friends has asked me to help him find the next owner of this vehicle. So we are selling the vehicle on behalf of the owner. You will be dealing with myself, but the vehicle's invoice will be from Andy, who is the vehicle's owner, so please be aware it falls outside of any dealer warranty. You are obviously welcome to bring down your professional technician and mechanic, but it has just had a service. It's 9 services in total. It's 2003 on a 53, although it's a 2004 model. It has the X50 pack, which I'm told is a factory pack, and along with the ceramic brakes, which again was an upgrade from the factory. It's covered 43,000 and a few miles. We have got a photograph of the mileage, and Andy has very kindly given me some pictures which I'll include in the montage, taken by a professional photographer a few years back, so we'll include those as well as my rain inspired photographs. I must apologise, we did look at the weather forecast, but we've been beaten by it, and the car is slightly damp on the outside, although it's purring away nicely. So it's just been serviced, and Andy verifies everything about the vehicle. Technically we can't sell it to you as a one former keeper because for insurance purposes Andy had to register the car to his wife as well as himself to get a decent insurance quote when he first picked up the car. So that's as transparent as we can be, but I've looked at the car. It's Atlas grey. It's absolutely brilliant on the paintwork. I sold this car about 5 weeks ago, just initially came to see it, and I was absolutely delighted. So if we go into the car, I've photographed the alloys and the tyres, Michelin Pilot Sports, all in great condition, and the Porsche specialist technician centre said the vehicle was oil free in terms of leaks and was in a fantastic condition. But please, you are welcome to bring along your specialist if you do so wish. The vehicle, there is a possibility we could take a part exchange, but it is only a possibility. You would have to speak to me, and we'll decide whether we do want something in exchange. The price is price to market, so it's not open to negotiation. The price that we're asking for it, we believe it's in fair offer to the condition. You might find the odd very small little ding in two of the panels, but I will do my best to point those out as we go around. In fact, Andy, which one did we see the dent was in? The little dent, wasn't there, somewhere? Was it the wing or the rear wing? Very slight. Yeah. Yep, that's right. So we're going to be totally transparent. I don't even think the video will pick it up. It's so small. So in the rear wing there's a very small ding, and possibly I spotted one of the front passenger door, very light. So we could arrange for those to be taken out if you do so wish, but it just keeps the originality of the car. It's an absolutely stunning car. It does have a sunroof, which we have got open, or got it tilted in one of the photographs in the pictures, and inside the car you would think it was about 10 years younger. I'll just straighten the steering wheel. So obviously automatic, a lovely place to be. Very special car indeed. Back seats have hardly been used, in fact probably only on a few occasions have they been used. We have all the providence, including the build spec from the factory, which we will include within the montage of images. The radio is a genuine unit, all functioning properly, and you've got the Tiptronic controls here on the steering wheel, which would obviously be a benefit, and down here you have the memory position for the driver's seat, both speakers. Probably another upgrade when it was built, because you don't get a great deal on these cars, do you? You have to pretty much pay for everything else other than the steering wheel and the engine. So the engine upgrade, performance upgrade, was what was the performance, Andy, to the X50 pack, what does that give it BHP wise?
X50 pack, well, standard the car would have been 414 horsepower.
Yes.
With the X50 pack added, it's 450 brake horsepower.
Right, okay, so there's an upgrade there. Is it the turbos? They do it through the turbos, do they?
It's large, I believe it's larger turbos and a different ECU.
Right, okay.
It may even be different manifolds as well.
Right, okay, thank you. So there you go, that's from the owner himself. He's standing next to me. Just asked him to shadow me around because obviously I'm not a Porsche specialist, even though I've been in business 35 years. We haven't had a great deal of Porsches, but we had a 718 Cayman, which is a totally different car, but it was a nice car nevertheless just recently. But I am absolutely delighted to be offering you this vehicle. Please again, just be aware that you need to ring ahead, and we will need to network with Andy to find a suitable appointment time, and we will show you the vehicle. But only serious buyers, please. With respect, we don't want to just show people a car for them to tell us how nice it is. We know how nice it is, and we're selling it as a genuine sale, but we do want only interest from serious buyers and people that have already arranged the funding. So the funding, you must have funding in place before we book a viewing and test drive on the car. No test drives will be taken without myself being present in the vehicle. And any test drives that you do take, you must obey all highway code rules. So I'm sure you'll appreciate that. If there's anyone drives the car that I feel isn't driving it sensibly, then we'll curtail the test drive and we'll drive you back to the dealership. So that's our 2003 or 2004 model year 911 Turbo in Atlas Grey, looking absolutely splendid. Well, we look forward to hearing from you. Thank you. Have a nice day.